Hi everyone, Malvina here, and today I will show you how to create this beautiful balloon card. So if you want to learn how to make it, join me for this quick tutorial and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below to never miss any of our videos. I wanted my card to be pretty big, so I started with folding my paper in half and cutting the excess paper so that I had just an inch and a half on the front of my card. And also I cut this transparent foil to exactly the same size, and then I used some decorative punch to make it look nice, and I applied the foil underneath this decorative flap with double-sided tape. Because I really like my cards to be decorated inside out, I also put some decorative paper inside my card and on the back of it. And when applying some paper on the foil, I make sure to always use double-sided tape, because glue might not hold so well and the paper might actually pop off. Then I sketched the shape of my balloon. Actually, what matters is this top part only. Cut it, and then I cut exactly the same shape from the paper from the collection. And this is gonna be my base for the flowers and all the decorative elements, because I did not want to put the flowers with glue gun or the heavy body gel on the top of my foil, because I was worried it might actually also pop off. So I decided to cut the base with from the paper and apply it on the top of my foil, and then using hot glue I can just safely put the flowers on top of everything and build my cluster so that it has the shape of the balloon. So now you can see me decorating everything. I speeded it up a little bit because you know the drill. I'm just filling this shape with all the beautiful flowers from Prima Marketing collections. And this is not just in the full bloom, which by the way is the collection I'm working with in this video. You can also see some flowers from the Love Notes collections. I believe one of these is actually also strawberry milkshake. You can see some magnolia rouge being used as well. So it's just a mix of all the beautiful flowers that Prima has in their stock. Now about the basket of the balloon, I cut a piece of paper and then I scored it so that I can glue these little flaps on top of my foil. I wasn't sure about the size of it, so I just tried it and checked what works best for me. And again, exactly the same like with the base, I'm using double-sided tape to apply it on my card. Do not use the glue with the foil with anything slippery. This is very risky for your project, and you don't want anything to break if you've spent hours working on something pretty, something beautiful. So that's the basket, and then I added these two little wooden sticks. Actually, I put a coat of white gesso on them to make them lighter, and then unfortunately I did not press record when I was placing it on my card, but I used a hot glue gun to put this on the card, and these sticks are under the flowers and also in the basket. So now you can see me decorating it with some ephemera. In Full Bloom has a beautiful assortment of ephemera. You can choose from regular paper ones, but also with the from the semi-transparent ones. Another really cool addition are these stickers. These are foil stickers, and they are, as you can see, also on a transparent foil, which allows me to check how they will look like on my project before putting them on the paper. And using glue gun, I'm also placing some decorative sentiment. And something I like to do with the flowers, if they have this really vivid color like the yellow ones or the orange one, in cases like that where this project is a little bit more dreamy and romantic, I like to use white gesso to a little bit tone the color down, because this makes it a little softer for the eye, if you know what I mean. And also the gesso looks really cool on this on the foil, and I used it on the side of the foil, as you can see here, to add a little bit of a frame to the whole card. And one more thing you can do with white gesso, I added a little bit of water to it, and then you can splatter your project with it to add some also dreamy effect, shabby chic effect. And last thing on my list, something I also do very often, which you probably noticed if you're watching my lives, watching my videos, I added as well mini art stones and art stones to the flowers. And also I added a little bit of glitter, because what is a Prima project without glitter? I use it a lot, like really a lot. I love using glitter in my works. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. And that's our card. As you can see, it's much easier than it might look like at the first sight. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to never miss our videos, and I'm waiting for your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!